Hi, quick reviews. It's me, Sergio. So we'll continue with our SPSS episode. So this is Kendall's Tau B. So we have the data here. So income and tax perception. So this is a perception that tax is too high in this country. So let's check the variable view. Okay, so I have included here the label. The income range or the income level. Tax is too high in this country. For the income, we have values now. So 1 is low, 2 is middle, 3 is high. For the tax perception, we have 1 strongly disagree, 2 disagree, 3 agree, and 4 strongly agree. And both are ordinal scale. So for the data view, so we have here now. So before we will process this, let's check the assumptions first. So I am still using the statistics.layered.com. So in here, it says Kendall's Tau B. Okay, using this symbol. Okay, correlation coefficient or Kendall's Tau B is a non-parametric measure of the strength and direction of association that exists between two variables measured on at least an ordinal scale. So we have an option if it's a Spearman or Kendall's Tau. So let's have this one. It is also considered an alternative to the non-parametric Spearman rank order correlation coefficient, especially when you have a small sample size with many tied ranks. Okay? So, as you can see in our data, so let's check the assumptions. So, it's very similar to the Spearman. So, number one, your two variables should be measured on an ordinal or continuous scale. So, from the data, so it passed. Second, Kendall's Taubi determines whether there is a monotonic relationship between your two variables. So, we will check this one using JASP. Jeffrey's Amazing Statistics Program. So we will consider a scatter plot as what we are doing. Okay, open. So we have to browse. Okay, for candles Taobi. Okay, the data 2. Okay. So regression, correlation, we will consider the scatter plot. Actually, it's here, candles Taobi. But what we are going to consider is the scatter plot. So okay. And let's check the scatter plot. So we can see that it's not really that close with the figure that presented in the previous episode. However, when we are going to check the assumption, it says using this Kendall's Tau B, it determines whether there is a monotonic relationship between your two variables. Also, it is not a strict assumption, but it is also good to check and the data would appear to follow a monotonic relationship. So basically, we can proceed with our analysis. So to perform Kendall's Tau B, so analyze, correlate, and then bivariate. And then we will put these two variables in the variables box. So we can uncheck this. So we will check Kendall's Tau B. And then OK. So we have correlation coefficient 0.536. So I prepared here an APA style. So this is correct. And then we also have the p-value 0.003. So this is correct. So we also have a different but very similar legend. So based on the previous citation. So for our outcome, we will consider the income level. And then for our predictor, we will consider the tax perception that tax is too high in this country. So there's a strong correlation. So we will consider the legend. Okay, and since it is since the p-value is less than 5%, so it is significant, so we can reject the null hypothesis. And we will use this one for our discussion using Kendall's Tau B. So again, to perform Kendall's Tau B, analyze, correlate, and bivariate.